Now here the question is, let R1 and R2 respectively be the maximum range up and down an inclined plane and R be the maximum range on the horizontal plane, then R1, R2 and R3 are in. So here what we'll do is, we'll prove the formula for maximum range up an inclined plane. So we have this inclined plane and suppose this angle is beta and we have launched a projectile with initial velocity u and angle theta. We need to first find this R1, which is a range up the incline. Now what we'll do is, for this question, we'll take this as x-axis and we'll take this as y-axis. And this is our acceleration due to gravity. Now this is beta, this is 90 minus beta, and this again will be beta. So acceleration will have two components. So this is g cos beta and here will be g sin beta. Now we resolve this u, we'll have u cos theta and u sin theta. So at any point p x comma y, we can write x is u cos theta t minus 1 by 2 g sin beta t square, and y will be u sin theta t minus 1 by 2 g cos beta t square. Now for this point, value of y is 0. So if we put y as 0, we'll get t as 2u sin theta upon g cos beta. So if we put the value of t here, we'll get our R1. So this R1 will be u cos theta and will be 2u sin theta upon g cos beta minus 1 by 2 g sin beta into t square, and there will be 4u square sin square theta upon g square cos square beta. Now this 2 will be this 4. Now we can take 2u square sin theta upon g cos beta common. So we can take 2u square sin theta upon g cos beta common. We'll get cos theta minus sin beta sin theta upon cos beta. Now if we take this LCM, we can write R1 as 2u square sin theta upon g cos square beta, and this is cos theta cos beta minus sin theta sin beta. So this is cos A cos B minus sin A sin B, and there will be cos A plus B. So this R1 will be 2u square sin theta cos theta plus beta upon g cos square beta. Now 2 sin A cos B is sin A plus B plus sin A minus B. So there will be u square. Now sin A plus B is sin 2 theta plus beta minus sin A minus B, and sin A minus B will be sin B upon g cos square beta. Now we need to maximize this range. Maximize this range for theta. So the only term having theta is this term. So this range will be maximum when sin 2 theta plus beta is 1. So this R1, it will be u square 1 minus sin beta upon g cos square beta. Now cos square beta is 1 minus sin square beta. So it will be u square upon g 1 plus sine beta. So maximum range of the incline will be u square g 1 plus sine beta, and for R2 down the incline it will be simply u square upon g 1 minus sine beta. We'll simply take beta as minus beta, and on the ground beta is 0, so sine beta will be 0, so R will be u square upon g. Now if we take 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2, it will be g 1 minus sine beta upon u square plus g 1 plus sine beta upon u square. So it will be 2g by u square, which is 2 by r, which means R1, R and R2, they are in HP.